Hello, it is Sheila back again from Thompson Leisure. Today I'm going to show you our brand new Rapido 856. Come and take a look. So straight off the bat, this Rapido has 16-inch factory fitted Fiat alloy wheels. It has your electric welcome step. Back here you will see your rear garage. And in there is your removable carpets as well as your external shower point just here. Of course, you have your factory fitted reverse camera as well. So let's go inside. That's where the best part is. So here is the internal of the van now. I do have my cheat sheet. That's because there's a ton in this motorhome and I don't want to miss a single thing. So firstly, of course, you have your Paris upholstery. Lovely leatherette here, and Nacarat wood finish as well in this motorhome, really nice bright. Up the front here, this is an automatic motorhome now. This here 856 is an automatic 9-speed gearbox. Of course, you have your multifunctioning DAB radio that connects up to your reverse camera. You have your aircon, your USB ports. Across here you have your multifunctional steering wheel with Bluetooth connectivity, if I could get it out. And as always, you have your blinds that go across the window and down the windscreen as well. So as you'll see, I have the backs of the chairs down now, and that's so that I can show you your first and second bed above the cab here. Now, you will see these pillows, they are actually held magnetically, and that means that your seating arrangement, the pillows will stay in the position they're supposed to. It'll never look messy, so that's always a great factor. Here is the bed over the cab. And just like that, there it is down. You'll see you have two wee spotlights there as well, just to help you climb into bed. And there you go, back up it goes. So this is the kitchen element of your motorhome. Of course, you have your 3 gas hobs just there and your combined oven and grill just below. Now, Rapido has this great feature where you can lock and unlock your drawers. That way, when you're traveling, they don't bang about, they don't open. This kitchen comes with soft close drawers, so no banging again. I love this upholstery and this wood finish, to be honest. You know, these easy open doors that just click back closed again. Here is your fridge and your freezer drawer below, along with an additional freezer drawer up above. Of course, you'll see here you have a factory fitted TV bracket as well, and positioning for a HDMI ready cable as well. Of course, you have your lovely storage here. Nice compartments the whole way. Just really making use of all the space available. Time for the bedroom. So here is the master suite. Again, just like every other Rapido video, I don't know if you've seen them, but I'll just go over it again. It is a Comfort Boltex mattress that comes factory fitted for Rapido. The great thing about this bed compared to the others is that this is also storage. And just like the over the cab bed, it is so simple to just lift it up and then drop it back down. Just like that, done. So on to the bathroom. Now this is a 6.79 metre van, real compact, perfect for using up all that space. Now this is a really cool feature that I personally think is really special about this motorhome. Here you have your mirror, you have your window. Then when it's time to use a sink, you just pop this over and pop that up. There you have your sink. Check that out. So there you have it, the Rapido 856 Automatic 2021 edition. We have it here in the lot if you want to come and view it. If you have any other questions, please drop me a message in the comments. Alternatively, you can email me at marketing@thompsonleisure.com or give us a call on 028 92693 999. Anyway, I'm sold. What about you? See you in the next video.